This video is going to teach you how to assemble the chamber. These are the accessories, which including the air conditioner parts. Let's install the outer panel firstly. This is the outer panel with telephone intercom. Just insert the panel as showing. It is quite easy to do it. This is the communication cable for the telephone. Put the cable through this hole on the chamber back. We fasten the inner chamber walls with Velcro. Take off the Velcro, then we can get the cable. Screw the connector tightly. Don't forget to screw this part of the connector. We connect the inner panel by this connector. This is the inner control panel. This is the connector of the telephone. The cable we showed just now is for telephone. Now let's install it. Did you see the white dot? Align to white dot. Plug in it, then we can screw the connector. Now let's install the communication cable for the panel screen. This cable is for inner control panel. Let's teach you how to adjust the length of the inside cable. Screw this small connector. Then you can adjust the cable length you want. Please be careful about the rubber ring. The ring must be inside the connector. The ring function is to avoid air leaking. The connector is ready now. Same method to install this cable. This is the connector for inner panel screen. Now the inner panel is ready. We will prepare the Velcro for inner panels. You can paste it wherever you want. This is the configuration of magnetic doors. The magnetic doors have two connectors. This connector is for magnetic switches. You can see it has two holes. Align to the two holes, plug in, then we can screw the connector. The other tube is for door controllers. We just need to plug in this tube. If you want to take the tube out, press the neck. This is the door controller. We operate the blue one to control the magnetic door. This device needs to be plugged into a power source. The transformer is for air conditioner. The air filters are spare filters for oxygen concentrators. These tubes are for air conditioners. These are the water pipes for air conditioners. If you don't buy the air conditioner, then know these tubes. These tubes were used to connect the chamber and concentrator. There have 5 tubes in total. We will attach the label on the top of connectors. Just plug in the tube as indicated on the label. This one is pressure detection connector. We can find the same label on the chamber connector. This one is the oxygen connector. Same oxygen connector on the chamber. You can see this tube diameter is bigger. There have 2 sizes for the tube diameter. This one is the pressure maintaining connector. Same pressure maintaining connector on the chamber. This one is pressure relief connector. Same pressure relief connector on the flank side of chamber. This one is environment detection connector. The rest 2 connectors are for air conditioner water pipes. We have the other videos to teach you how to install air conditioners. If you do not buy air conditioners, please just block the connectors. This is the communication cable for outer panel. This is the back side of the outer panel. You can see the connecting part clearly. Just plug in it. Now everything is ready. For the valves, we will install it well. You just need to screw the valve tightly before using.